Coming into view, taking my own form, letting the original come out on the dance floor. Sharing all of me, the good, the bad, the past, wondering who that is, and I'm so glad you asked.
CCB, could it be? Yes, me new, so no D&D. Leave my mark on the world, check my B&E. Living out the ordinary fantasy. Play piano on a beach in Eden. Make acquaintance with the soul I'm seeking. Bring the weird kids and make sure they're eating. Take a step back, cause it's Charlie's season. Okay, seasoned with character, bars are on every.
Hello there, beauties. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the Falscara lashes. I got this kit. I'll put a picture of it here because I already been using it. I don't have it anymore, but I got the kit, and then I also got these extra lashes that I have been using and actually reusing and all that. So we're gonna jump like right into this. Of course, I will link everything down below for you guys to go and check out. So the first step of applying your Falscara lashes is to apply the bond to the lashes like you would a mascara wand. Just gonna take the bond side of it and you're going to apply it to the lash, thoroughly coating the lashes with the bond. And what this bond is going to do is, it's like glue, right? So instead of it being glue in a tube, it is glue in a mascara form. So you're gonna go ahead and make sure that your lashes are thoroughly coated. Now what I have learned with using this is that if your lashes are not thoroughly coated, if they are not properly coated, the individual lashes are gonna have a hard time sticking on, okay? And now my camera decides that it wants to die in the midst of me filming this video. Great. I have these Falscara lashes and they come in different sizes. I have small, medium, and large. As you can see, I barely use the bottom row. I more so use the medium and the small. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab a medium lash. I do use the tweezers that come with the set, and I just am going to go ahead and grab a medium lash onto the tweezers. How I do this as well is that I take the lashes, I also take more of the bond, and I place it on top of the lash. So right where the lash is going to come in contact with my eyelash, I apply more of the bond there.
Positive character, bring out the better in me. Make sure you see the real on camera. I ain't trying to be nobody but Charlie Bandana. Oh my, I ain't trying to be real as Santa. Oh, propaganda or the city Atlantis. Oh, in a glow, good to go like lanterns.
I took a medium lash and I pretty much just added it to the outside of my lash line, and then I took the end of the tweezers and I just pressed them into the lash line. And you want to make sure that you apply these to the lash line, not sitting on the skin but on the actual lash line. Then I'm going to take these and I'm pretty much just going to like sandwich my lashes. So you're just going to squeeze them together to make sure that they are together. So now I'm going to go ahead and add another medium. And it takes some time, you guys, to really like master lashes and things of that sort. If you don't get it overnight, it is okay. It all takes time, but once you learn how to apply lashes and maneuver it and all that, it gets easier. So you're gonna apply this one right next to the other lash. And how you want to do it really too is that you want to make them look natural. So you don't want to like clump them too far onto each other or anything. You want to make sure they have a decent amount of space between them so that they are, you know, very natural looking. Okay. Oh, this one's on a little funky. Hold on. And they're easy to just like pull right off and to replace as well. So let's see. Okay, this one's a little funky, but we are going low. That one is crazy looking. Hold on. Okay, so I use 3. So I use 2 medium and 1 small. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I got a little bit of glue like on the tip of that. It is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a small lash, and this is the one that I'm going to place on the inner brow, the inner lash line, sorry. And same thing, I like a more natural looking lash, so I only use 3 strips when it comes to this process, or 3 lashes. Not all the way in, but this one right here. Oh my, I have like glue all over these. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there is glue, or maybe it's sealing, because I am reusing some of these. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I without lashes, I with lashes. And the final step with applying the lashes is that you want to go ahead and take the other side of it, and you want to seal up what you just did. So you're going to go ahead and take it aside. There's a little bit sealant on there, and you're just going to go ahead and you are going to apply that at the base of the lashes, okay? And that's just going to seal them to your natural lash line. And pretty much that is how you apply that one. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to speed this part up, and we're going to do the other eye.
Wanna be in cabanas, hit it with me like, ain't worried about nobody. Yeah, nobody else got me. Yeah, ain't no point stopping. I'm focused on me. Ain't worried about nobody. Can't nobody else got me. I'm making it a new hobby. I'm focused on me. 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 Focused on me.
Been worried about people for a long time. Stepping out of that into my own life. Smiling now more than ever. Ear to ear, yeah, doing a lot better. 2015, it's gone.
All right, so this lash application came out a lot better than the one I did for you guys on camera, which is so funny. So here are the final results. I really do like these individual lashes. I like how natural they look. I like how comfortable they are. Placing them underneath the lash line just gives it more of a natural look. I don't have to apply any mascara, and they stay in place. I haven't had any issues with them falling off. I will say that it is very important that you apply these lashes correctly. I highly recommend you go and check out Falscara, give them a try, and with a little bit of practice, you definitely will be able to get it right. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in a later video.